Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Diorama Don here. This is an idea that I've had for a diorama for a while. It's just the chimney stack, the remaining chimney stack from a house that's been bombed, and the chimney stack is still erect. And yeah, it's just an idea I had, and I think it's worked out reasonably well. It looks okay. So let's get into how I went about making it. Okay, let us begin. I'm using 2mm cardboard. I think that's strong enough. That would be fine. Then just mark out what shape of chimney you want. Obviously, it's up to you. With the chimney chimney breast there and the chimney stack at the top there, then cut that out, so we're left with that kind of shape. And then I've got 3/4 wide pieces that I will glue accordingly, like that and like that, to make it to the shape of the chimney breast that we want. So easy enough, I think. I'll go away and glue all that together and come back and see what we've got then. So we've got the shape of our chimney now. So that will stand on the edge of the diorama with debris all around. So I'll give it a coat of wall filler mixed with a little bit of water, just so that it gives a basis for my bricks. And I've just spread some brick coloured grout over a ceramic tile. When it's gone off, it's still quite wet at the moment, but when it's almost not sticky to touch, then I'll mark out all the bricks that we need, 1/35 scale bricks, with a knife. And when that's dry, then I'll stick all the bricks all over the chimney breast. So next time you see it, we should be all bricked up. Okay, I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so I use the bricks that I make myself. If you look at previous videos, I show you how I go about making my bricks. So I've covered the whole of the chimney breast. PVA glue is dry now, so they're all solidly on there. And I've mixed some light coloured grout, the colour of mortar pretty much. So I'll stick that all over the chimney breast like so, and that should go in between all the bricks. I'll only do a small area. Don't want to bore you to death. Something like that. And then with a damp sponge, just take away the excess. Oh, that's looking better. So you can see the effect that makes. So I will carry on, do the whole of the chimney breast like that, and it will then sit on a very small diorama base, 3/4 thick polystyrene. Polystyrene remains of the building, and then these are mounds that I shall cover debris, broken pieces of brick and stone, 2 or 3 different colours, and they will be mounds of debris. And the chimney breast will sit in there with a vehicle just passing through. and I'll give you 3 guesses as to what vehicle it will be. So, okay, I'll carry on then with mortaring my chimney breast, and then I'll put what I use for debris. I shall put in the broken walls of these walls, if you follow me. So we've got all the broken parts of the brick in there, and the rest of it will be just a grey grout covering. Okay, I think all that's done. I'll go ahead and finish all that off. So finish the diorama itself now. I put that mortar in between the bricks. When that was dry, I put a very thin black wash over the top, just to darken it down a little bit, and that's it. That's all. I just put a bit of a mist of a black spray at the top there, just to show the smoke damage. Yeah, so that's the chimney itself, and then for the rest of it, I just sprinkled red and grey grout pieces, dried grout pieces on the broken walls, and then we've got 3 mounds of debris. So if I can get it all in, the chimney's a bit tall. So that's basically the diorama. Doesn't look much now, but with a military vehicle passing through, I think it all makes sense a little more. So there we are. That's the chimney stack diorama. Now then, regular viewers to my channel will know that this half track has made numerous appearances in the past. Almost every video that I make, it turns up, basically because it's the only military vehicle that I've got until now. So prepare to be amazed. We have another vehicle. So how about that there? Now, does that look more impressive? I think your answer is yes. So there we go. Sherman tank. And where did I get my Sherman tank, you ask? Well, it's all made with cardboard. It's entirely cardboard. I've gone to the trouble of trying to make it as accurate as I possibly can, although I'm sure there are some people out there would say, yeah, oh no, you haven't. But it's as close to a Sherman tank that I can get with cardboard. So what I've done is made a 20-minute video of how I made this cardboard Sherman tank. But it won't be, I won't put it up for another week or so yet. Call me a mercenary if you like, but I want to get monetized first. So anyway, we'll leave that for the moment. And for the time being, that is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Click that subscribe button. And going up again. And I'll be back in the next video in a few days' time. Until then, happy modeling.